Okay, turn it down.
Sorry. Yes.
So, hi.
Hi, let's go back in the floor.
Good morning.
Morning, too.
What?
Good morning.
Can't hear. So, today we're not going to. Hey, hi, morning. Today we're not going to have our outside because that's every Monday and Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday, not Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Thursday.
Yes. What else?
Okay.
What?
We are doing our chores like usually,
Yes. Yes. We can show them what do we do.
but
But now it's different than the.
of course every day is different. Today we're gonna.
Sorry. Let's do that.
So today we're gonna have a bubble bath.
Yes.
Take a bath.
But you want to wait. It is hot.
I don't know if it's hot or not.
If it's not,
If it's not, we don't take a bath him, or maybe tomorrow.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Well, let's just see if it's morning or not. So continue, please, madam.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So now here, hello. I'm gonna while Annabelle is vacuuming the floor, I cannot see her. I'm gonna wash the dishes. Just look, it's like a mountain, a flat mountain, of course.
Oh yeah, like a flat mountain. Like a dirt.
Oh, hello.
Hello there.
So no, okay.
Like a dirt. Oh my god.
So I'm gonna start and showing you.
And who's gonna shoot you?
So hi,
Yes,
we're
hi.
done doing our chores, have breakfast. Now it's time to take a bubble. So
let's go.
let's get started with bubble here. Wanna see bubble?
Bubble. And it is bubble.
Bubble, ready to take a bath? Go, that means yes. Okay, let's go.
break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. 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 It's a cold-blooded love.
Because what?
It's not.
Because it's sunny here, so we don't
use hair dryer.
so we don't use hair dryer.
Yes, don't need that.
What is my
I don't know.
save electricity? Yes. So we get bubble. Bubble.
So that's bubble. So we've been drying clean.
We're drying using a towel,
Yes,
not with a hair dryer.
not.
Save electricity. Oh my gosh.
Sorry about that.
So, yeah, so it's time for us to take a bath
yes,
and
do
do our edits.
and see you upstairs.
Same.
Yeah.
And see you later.
Bye.
Bye. So, hello.
Yes, hello.
Good evening.
Yes.
Yes. So, doing the usual. Every evening I do my edits, and so tomorrow I don't know what to do.
Yes. You don't know what to do.
Maybe art.
Oh, we never are.
Yes, but I think we don't have enough paper.
Yeah, I need to buy paper.
And then after that, I put it here. And where do you put? Oh yes, you don't have any that.
All I have is.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you find it? I want to see. Everyone wants to see it. But this is for my art. But this is my art. What's that?
What is that one? Look at tears. It's like a joke.
So, see you tomorrow on the next video.
Don't forget to
Subscribe,
like, comment, share.
subscribe, like, comment, share. And
See you next video.
yes, see you in the next video. So, bye bye. No bonjour.